motor four-wheeler insurance process. On the landing page, select four-wheeler from the motor insurance plans and click on Sell Now. You will see the branch details already submitted on the screen. Now click on Proceed. Select New Customer from the customer category. Select Bundle Product from policy type. Select Individual from the customer type. Enter customer's vehicle details as shown in the screen. Select the vehicle make, model, variant, RTO location, and registration date as shown in the screen. Please note, in case of registration date, the vehicle age can be less than or equal to 6 months for new business type and bundled policy. Now click on Proceed. The policy tenure details are auto-filled as shown in the screen. The insured declared value will be auto-populated. Sample plans are available for easy selection. Additional covers and add-ons can be selected from the drop-downs as per requirement. Underwriting discount is auto-populated. All discounts are already fed in system from backend. If any document is pending to be uploaded, it can be filled from the drop-down. Now you can see the premium breakup on your screen. Now click on Calculate Premium. If there are no changes, click on Quote to Proposal. Now let's fill the customer details. If you have the customer CKYC number, click on Yes and fill the required details and fetch CKYC. If you have the customer's PAN card number, select Yes and fill the required details and fetch CKYC. If you have the customer's Aadhaar number, select on Yes and fill the required details and fetch CKYC. Now the details of the customer will be auto-populated on the screen. If there are any changes in any details, you can click on Edit Details. If customer CKYC number, PAN card and Aadhaar number are not available, the details of the customers is to be filled manually. After filling all the details, click on I hereby declare that information given above is true and will be published on my proposal with SBIG. Proceed to fill the nominee details. Insert the nominee relationship, nominee name, nominee date of birth and mobile number. Enter the four-wheeler details, chassis number, engine number and registration number if available. In hypothecation column, select No if there is no hypothecation involved. In case it is Yes, fill in the required details. If the customer has an electronic insurance account, select Yes and fill in the number. If the customer does not have an electronic insurance account, select No and select the repository name from the drop-down. Select additional documents, if any, from the drop-down and upload it. After filling all the details, click Next. A verification code will be sent to the registered email and mobile. Insert the OTP as received on registered email and mobile and click on Verify OTP. The generated quotation number will be displayed on the screen. Now go back to the dashboard and select My Quotes in the Motor Insurance tab. Check the quote created and check whether the details are in alignment. If the customer CKYC is not done, proceed with manual CKYC. Fill in the details related to manual CKYC. Select the country, city, proof of identity, identity number, and upload the identity card. Fill in the details of the relationship. After filling in the details, save the manual CKYC details. Now, select the Send Proposal link. The e-proposal will be successfully sent to the customer. Click on Continue. An automated SMS with an OTP will be shared with the customer. You can call the customer and get the policy app code. Insert the policy app code and click on Submit. Once the app code is verified successfully, click on Continue to Pay. Select any one payment option to proceed. Once the payment is done, the policy will be generated. A copy of the policy will be sent to the customer on the registered email ID. And this completes the process of policy issuance of motor four-wheeler insurance.